Hi guys, today we will see how to duplicate the sprites in Scratch application. Basically what we do in the duplicate command is that we will copy or duplicate the codes from one sprite to the another sprite. Let us start by understanding how we will do the duplicate in the sprite with an example. Now let us consider we are having the sprites as letter sprites. Just an example, select C, one more A and one more as T. So now we are having the three sprites CAT as a CAT. These are the just an example sprites. Now we will write some code for the sprite C. Select the event. In the event, when the code should execute, when the green flag button is clicked, select it, drag and drop it on the script area. Now select the turn 15 degree. Just an example, move 10 steps if you want. Make it continuously should happen. This like turning and movement of that sprite C should happen continuously. For that select forever loop. Put it all the turn and move inside the forever. Okay, just put it on. Just check it out whether it's executing or not. See, this is executing. So interrupt the execution. Now we want the same code should be applied to the remaining two sprites, that is A and T. Just drag the code block into the sprite A. Okay, see here. So we need not have to go and write the same code to the again another sprites. We did not have, just copy, drag and drop it over the sprites. Then do the same thing with the another sprite. Just drag and drop it over here. So we have to put it properly. It is not drag and drop it over here. We have to put it properly. Just drag and drop it. See here, it came. So all these three sprites is having the same code. Just check it out. See, all these three sprites are having the same code. Interrupt it. Now we want to make some changes to the particular sprites like A. For A sprite we want to add some effects. What effects? Change color, change the effect. Just an example. See, whirl. Okay, next if you want to make it sprite T with some different changes. Now run it. See, all three sprites will be having the basic code will be the same. But if you want to make some changes to the particular sprite, that also we can do it. This is how we will do the duplicate the sprite.